Are you getting an unexpected error occurred? Please try logging in again on Instagram using your iPhone. No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this Instagram login error. So, let's fix it right now. Before we start, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try turning on and off airplane mode. Turn off any VPN connection if you activate it. If still you are facing this issue, try advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. Open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now, search Instagram. Next, tap Instagram from here. Then, scroll down. Here you can see whether the Instagram app is officially down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Offload Instagram app. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Instagram app. If you don't find the Instagram here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on Instagram. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye for now.